Hello everyone. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe at your home. Welcome to Mahdi English School. This is the class of Standard 1. We are going to learn mathematics. Let's begin our day with a meaningful thought. Always end the day with a positive thought. No matter how hard things were. Tomorrow is a fresh opportunity to make it better. So, stay tuned with positive thoughts. Get ready everyone. Take out your book, pencil. First of all, write today's date and day as well. Write the date and day on the right corner. Now, write the heading. MENTAL, mental. MATHS, maths. Mental maths. While writing, make sure that your handwritings must be good. So, as you all know that we have completed almost 3 exercises of mental maths. First, let us make quick revision for previous exercise. Then move on to the next. A 63 minus 3 is equal to 60. Number B, 85 minus 0 is equal to 85. Number C, 47 is equal to 4 tens and 7 ones. Number D, 99 minus 9 is equal to 90. E, number before 60 is 5959. F 33 plus 1 is equal to 34. G number after 80 is 81. H 70 minus 50 is equal to 20. This was exercise number 2. Exercise 3. A 1 more than 85 is 86. Number B 62 72 82 dash. Here we are following the pattern of counting by tens. So there comes 9 to 92, 62, 72, 82, 92. Number C 30 plus 50 is equal to 80. D 7 plus 3 plus 5. 7 plus 3 10 plus 5 we get 15. E 7 plus dash is equal to 14. We have to find out the number which we can add to 7 to get the answer 14. Seven plus 7 is equal to 14. F 87 minus 1 is equal to 86. G 39, 38, 37, then we have two blanks. Here we have to follow the pattern of before numbers. Look, 39 before 38, before 37, before 36, before 35. So 39, 38, 37, 36 and 35. Number H 60 minus 20 is equal to 40. This was Exercise number 3, which we have completed in previous lecture. Now, logical thinking. First of all, everyone write down LOGICAL, logical. THINKING, thinking. Logical thinking. HOW, how. MANY, many. FLOWERS, flowers. How many flowers? Now, I am waiting for a while. Try to draw the figure you have seen on the screen. No matter the shape is perfect or not. As this is our online class, so you all have to read and write with me, huh? So I hope you all are right now writing with me. So try to draw the figure you have seen on your screen. There is a combination of circle and triangle. There you can observe some flowers also. HOW, how. MANY, many. FLOWERS, flowers. THE, the. CIRCLE, circle. How many flowers in the circle? Make a question mark and then draw a box, an empty box. Now, observe the picture. How many flowers are there in the circle? 5. How many flowers in the triangle? 3. How many flowers in the triangle? 3. How many flowers in all? 7. How many flowers in both the triangle and circle? 7. Now T-E-S-T, test. Y-O-U-R, your. S-K-I-L-L-S, test your skills. 4. Chapters 8, 9 and 10. Number 1, H-O-W, how. L-O-N-G, long. How long? Question mark. Look at the screen and tell me. This exercise is taken from which chapter? As till now we have completed chapter 8, measurement, chapter 7, subtracting greater numbers, chapter 8, measurement, chapter 9, time, chapter 10, money, and chapter 11, handling data. So this exercise is taken from which chapter? You can see the watch, paper clips, weighing scale. Who recognize? Yes, this exercise is taken from chapter number 8, measurement. Now first try to draw the watch and paper clips. To draw the watch, you can draw a small square or rectangle and then draw a thin rectangle so that the shapes becomes the belt of watch. Then draw the paper clips. I am waiting so that you all can complete. Now write down T-H-E, the. W-A-T-C-H, watch. I-S, is. Dash. C-L-I-P-S, clips. L-O-N-G, long. The watch is dash clips long. Now everyone observe the watch. See how many clips are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The watch is 6 clips long. Everyone copy the answer. The watch is 6 clips long. Now write down question number 2. HOW, how. HEAVY, heavy. Question mark. How heavy? If we have the word heavy, means what we are going to find out? We are going to find out measurement of weight. In first exercise, where we compare the watch with clips, on that time we were doing the exercise of measurement of length. On that time we were comparing the length of the watch with the help of paper clips. So here we are going to compare the weight of a kitten. See, where is the kitten? It is sitting in a weighing scale. Just beside there we can see there are some clay balls. So we are going to compare the weight of kitten with clay balls. THE, the. KITTEN, kitten. WEIGHS, weighs. ABOUT, about. Dash, CLAY, clay. BALLS, balls. The kitten weighs about dash clay balls. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Write down the answer first. The kitten weighs about 8 clay balls. I am waiting for a while. Each and everyone, copy these 2 answers in your book. The watch is dash clips long. The kitten weighs about 8 clay balls. So, today we are going to complete the 4th exercise of mental maths exercise. All these exercises were taken from chapter number 7, subtracting greater number, chapter 8, measurement, chapter 9 and chapter 10 as well. I hope you all are understanding this. Now before we leave, tell me everyone that you all are doing practice at your home or not. How many tables you all have memorized? In the syllabus of Essay 2 exam, we have chapters 7 to 12 and tables 1 to 10. That means you all have to prepare 10 tables. Out of that, how many tables you have learned? We already have completed all the tables. I hope you all have memorized it. If it is possible, I will take oral test or written test. So be ready with tables. Make practice of each and every subject every day at your home. My dear students, stay safe, stay happy, take care of yourself. We will meet in the next lecture. Till then, thank you very much and bye-bye everyone.